O prophet, priest and king.
Okushabira mbirwa retired Major John Kazoora kwatandika shahi ishatu z'akasheshe kandi omumbirwe gwaretwa omu kanisa ab'amahega UPDF. Okushaba kwayetabamu abantu nyamwingi nka famire, abakuru kuruga omu gavumenti ya rwagati, aba paramenti bebembirwe omuhwezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, ba OBs abanyakasura, amahega UPDF, ebibiina nka NUP, DP, FDC, NRM n'abanyamukago. Aba nabwanyuma batandika omukoro gw'okutaha ebimuri nk'akamanyiso k'okumusiibura. Abayebembire omu kushabira omumbirwa retired Major John Bashiija Kazoora, Bishop Hannington Mutebi yahumuza abanyabuzaare n'abanyamukago. Ogu yayongyera yagamba hari John nk'omuntu owabaire naaremera aha kusharamu kwe kandi okaba otamuhindura.
I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, the time I've known my brother John, for him, he was always convinced for the decisions he chose in this life, the choices. So he knew that what he was doing is right, and he couldn't just change him. He was a man who will always stand to what he agrees that is the right thing.
General Sabit Muzeyi wagamba nk'omunyabuzaare kandi omusirikare mutaahi we yagamba ngu ihanga rikahinduka ahabw'okuba omugenzi n'abataahi be bakatamu amaani mingi.
Due to the efforts of the likes of the late Kazoora and his colleagues. East Africa were 3 countries, now we have 8 countries. Regional integration. The ocean to the ocean. The efforts of these wonderful people. You should clap for them. The ultimate test of a man is where he stood in times of difficulty. So he passed the test. And we thank God for him, and we thank God for what he used him for this country.
Kazoora Arnold mutaanu w'omugenzi yagamba harishe nk'omushaija obiire aine emicwe etari ya butosha.
He was a man of character, outstanding character. He would always just come and tell me, Arnold and Nicholas, you just keep saying, you don't even say much, you just say character, character, character. Character will get you into rooms that money cannot. Character will elevate you where nothing is able to stand in your way.
Omukazi w'omugenzi Naomi Kabasharira kandi ori omu ishengyero Kazuwa Rushenyi yagamba aha mushaija we nk'omushaija abaire naamanya kugaaniira ebikusesya.
He had many stories and sweet stories. He told me of a story in the bush. It seems they went somewhere with the General Sades and took and hid in those bushes. I think they would go to 1 inch and get some marco and took. So the president, I think he did not know the smell of warach, and it seemed these people had taken. So he called them. He summoned them without them noticing. They didn't expect him to call them, so they went. And when they went, then he started asking them. And of course, John told me that General Sade was the one to speak first. And you know, when you have taken that thing, the way it comes out, the smell. So he said, but you, kanunuka. Then Sade said, I know must go here.
Naomi yagarukiraho yayongyera yamugambaho nk'omuntu ayabaire naashesya arikukunda kucwa enfumu kandi omuntu orikukunda kuyamba.
No, he loved to give, he loved children. There's a young girl called Happy. She used to be a politician in KCCA, but also belonged to FDC. So, but their children, they love him, they come and... So one time, he called him and said, enjara yanta niza kurara kwe. Amjara tikanku habure. kakugira ngo utazara abana bingi wazara bingi kwataho umwe murye rero sharore kwetaho. And of course immediately he sent a message money.
Umuringo nugwo gumwe Naume Yasiimwa na Raiso hamwe na President w'ihanga ahabwo kuyambaho mu kugarza amagara ga John Kazoora. Honorable Nathan Itungo yasime emirimo ya retired John ahabwo kuba kabari omuhabuzi murungi.
On behalf of the constituents, we are very grateful for what John did. He converted many, he mobilized, he guided, he was really good.
Omukugamba kwe omuhwezi wa speaker Thomas Taebwa yagira ngu John emirimo ye y'ensagi mazire kandi byone biri kugambwa n'ebyasigara omunsi. Yayihanangiriza buri omwe okureberera famire ahabwo kuba famire niry'ihanga.
John eche yakimazire yayegenda ebitu byahi bitukugamba nebyiki. Whatever we are speaking here is for us, it's not for him. He's already gone. So it's the lessons. To me, the most important lesson is about family. Family, family, family.
Yagamba hari John ko omuntu obire nakunda kuhabura abantu abakora enshobi.
Wampabura okampabura nimpurikiriza. And we request leaders, where we go wrong, please call us, tell us. Yes, tell us that here you are wrong, here you are right. Na twakora jana ko musimu mutaka kunamiro.
Retired Major John Bashija Kazoora akazarura ebiro bina eby'okwezi kwa munana omwaka gwa 1958 ogu akabaho omusirikare wa NRA atakagira omu parliamenti ahu yabire omu nyishengyero owa Kashari okumara emyaka 10 omu mwaka gwa 2005 we n'abandi bakatandika ekibiina kya Forum for Democratic Change ahu yakozire emirimo etari emwe n'emwe. Ombinje byari kwija guma nayishurwaho nakataba kuyahandikire akarukumanya nka betrayed by my leader. Retired Major John Bashija Kazoora ofira habiro 20 by'okwezi oku aha myaka 66 y'obukuru neja kuzikwa nyenkyakaro mu makaje omu Rutoma omu Kashari omu district ya Mbar. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga abwa Tayari West omu Kampala.